My name is Shashank DK from first year EC. My roll number is 4SN22EC046 and my topic is smart contact lens. The smart contact lens is revolutionary, unleashing the power of smart contact lens. Introduction. Welcome to the visionary revolution of smart contact lens. In this presentation, we will explore how these innovation lens and reshaping the world will interact in the world. Get ready to uncover the untapped potential of this technology. It enhances vision experience the three-dimensional way in real time, providing all the instant translation and personal information displayed in the lens. That way, we see the world and say goodbye to the traditional eyewear of this future lens. Seamless connectivity. Stay connected like never before with this inbuilt sensor and wireless technology. Smart contact lens enables connectivity with your device. This is notification, track of your health, merits and others, etc. These lens merges with the physical and digital realms, bringing new level of conversation and efficiency to our daily life. Health monitoring. Your health at a glance. A smart contact lens are equipped with advanced biometric sensors allowing you to continuously health and monitor your heart rate and glucose level and hydration and stress level in this provided sensor, embracing and protective approach to health management with the groundbreaking technology. Enhance accessibility, empowering everyone everywhere. Smart contact lens break the barrier by providing enhanced accessibility features, real-time language translation, audio description, and navigation. Enable individual with visual impairment navigate the world with ease. Conclusion. As we conclude in our journey with the revolutionary of the smart contact lens, we have witnessed the immense potential they hold, from enhancing vision and revolution connectivity, health monitoring and accessibility, lens transforming level. Let's embrace the creative innovation and unlock the limitless potential lies ahead. Thank you.